Hi, I'm Alex Knapik, Senior Product Manager over here at Arcules, coming at you with another one of our shift tips. This one about understanding your environment and your needs. And I have a simple concept for you today, probably one you've already heard, but it's to focus on outcomes, not features. And it's a simple premise. Instead of predefining your solution by saying, I need these features to solve these problems, instead, really look at the challenges, the problems that you have, and then look at what features could potentially solve them and which one's going to solve them most effectively. Many times I've talked to customers and they've gone into a big rabbit hole of feature sets about license plate recognition software. Whitelists and blacklists and integration with access control and different camera supports and all these different pieces. When we pull back, all they wanted to do was read license plates very clearly at night or during the day or with a fast moving car. Their real challenge was camera placement and camera choice to capture license plates. And instead, they spent all their time talking and comparing feature sets of different license plate recognition software. I like to use the gap concept. Define your current state, what your environment is today and the challenges you have. Then define your future state. What does it look like when those problems and challenges are solved? And then define the gap in between that. That brings into stark relief what those challenges truly are.